Morning, 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 morning. This morning we're going to show you how to do a cafetiere or French press or plunger. So first of all, the water was boiling. Um, you don't put the coffee ground into your plunger or French press. You first put in your water, otherwise your boiling water would burn your grounded coffee, and that would actually make it taste different because the oils would burn. So what to do? You rather wait a couple of minutes. I normally think about 2 to 3 minutes, and then it is a bit of a longer process. And it's not only two. It's probably about in the region of 5 minutes that it's going to take you to make a French press. But it really is worth it. The difference between waiting and putting your coffee grounds on top of the hot water, or just throwing it in, is like when you taste very good coffee and when you taste somebody's old sock. And the latter order, the good coffee is when you follow these simple steps, what I'm doing now, where I have to wait. I've already waited about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. So it's not boiling. It is probably now in a region of about 89 degrees. A lot of people actually want it a bit cooler, but for me 90 degrees is good. Then what I do is I take, for the size plunger I've got, and the coffee doesn't need to be a fine grind. This is like in between. It's not a very coarse grind, but it is also not a fine grind. So it's like a medium grind. And then I put in 3 spoons of this on top. So I'll show you. And I want you to experience this because this is quite something. Two, and then a third one. It is a big, it normally makes about 4 cups. So I'm going to go like this. And then when I start stirring it, I want you to see what happens. So a lot of people say, yeah, the coffee is blooming. But I want you to look at this crema that is going to start happening here. It is, this is good coffee. This is brilliant coffee. To get out of the light so you can see a bit more. And then I'll give it a good stir. Some people use a wooden spoon. Yeah, for me, I'm not crazy, so I'm not gonna go against the size like a. Well, it's like a normal spoon when you use a cup, but it is nothing. And then you can see the crema there at the top. Good morning, Chai. Chai is our cat. Chai is going, she wants to talk to me. Or wants my attention. Okay, now I'm going to plunge it. Now I just put a plunger at the top. It's like that. I'm going to let it stand for another 20 or 30 seconds. The plunger, some plungers I find it's very hard to press down, but this one not. This one is quite easy. I can actually show you this because I'm gonna go like, I'm gonna use my pinky. It's really not that difficult. So I've done that. I'm just gonna go and pour this now. And that's that. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I can say to you that this coffee is really good. It is the combined cupping score of this cup is in the 80s, and it is a Brazil that comes from SMC guys that do very ethnical stuff, and then also the Colombia that's in here is a Colombia Supremo. Yeah, Topolina, but very good. It's really it is a brilliant coffee. And I just want to show you this again. Just gonna lift it a bit. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.